Hi friends, welcome back to MiniatureDiecast. Today we are going to unbox the legendary Honda S800 Racing from Hot Wheels. This car is from HW Race Day series, one of the famous car of 2024 N case. I am so excited to unbox this one. Let's unbox. The Honda S800 Race in yellow from Hot Wheels. A dazzling vintage racer bursting with golden energy. Its sleek design and roaring speed make it the ultimate showstopper on any track. A miniature masterpiece. So the first impression of this car. Fantastic casting from Hot Wheels. Body is made of metal. Very eye-catchy in this vibrant yellow color with bold red stripes running down the hood and roof. Side profile of this car, racer number 25 and Honda GT1 badging. In front, I wish Hot Wheels make some detailings. This side same as well with racing decals. In rear section, no tail lap details as well. All are painted with yellow body color. From the above, this vibrant yellow body contrasts beautifully with the smoke-tinted windows, creating a visually appealing look. Now let's look under the plastic-made chassis. We can see manufacturing details. Exhaust pipes are integrated into the black plastic base, adding to the car's vintage racing aesthetic. The metallic finish tire rims are complementing its vintage racing aesthetic look. Let's do a roll test. Wheels are rolling nicely. That's all it for today. Hope you like this unboxing. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button and join me for more epic unboxings. See you next time. Happy collecting.